Welcome to Deluxe FX Portal. I am Steve, the digital presenter of Deluxe FX Portal, a leading trading educational company owned and managed by Nelson Onyovosa. In this video, I will be breaking this pair down from a technical and order flow perspective to try and understand where we will be having highest probabilities of the next potential move. And in doing so, I will provide free education as free as possible. Disclaimer: it is important to know that all our accounts on different social media listed below uses only the name Deluxe FX Portal. There are no numerical digits attached to any of them. Let's go straight to the charts. Okay, so let's make a full breakdown of the situation that we currently have for Ripple USD. Starting here from the monthly time frame, what we have is a market that at the moment is testing a very strong area of monthly demand and support. From here, all this move to the upside was created. At this moment, the market is testing the exact same zone of demand and support, from which there is definitely a possibility for a potential rejection to the upside. If we look closer, we can also see how the market just started creating a double bottom at this area. So there is definitely a possibility for a potential rejection higher. Dropping down on the weekly, what do we have now? From a weekly perspective, we can notice how we did have the creation of this M pattern, after which we wanted to see a move to the upside and completion of the pattern at the neckline. In fact, after the M pattern, that is what we want to see. The completion of an M pattern is a move to the upside at the neckline, which is in fact what the market gave us. But the neckline by definition is also resistance zone, specifically previous support turned resistance. So in a situation like this, we do expect the rejection of this resistance. But overall, since we have seen that on the monthly we have support, we would like to see a rejection higher and a break above the resistance. In fact, if we drop down to the daily time frame, we can see how the market is breaking to the downside and has also started to creating a daily bullish pattern, which is this M pattern. And after the creation of the M pattern, as we said previously, we would like to see a rejection to the upside. If we look closer, we can also see how at the moment we're testing very strong daily structure. This zone was acting as a support here, resistance all across the zone. At the moment, the market is testing the support, from which there is the possibility for a potential rejection to the upside and completion of the pattern at the neckline. So there would be the possibility for a move to the upside. So how we could be approaching this potential longing opportunity? Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, the 4-hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing potentially with students at Deluxe FX Portal is to monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market that we would have to intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point, we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside for the market to complete this M pattern at the neckline. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and educational update, make sure that you drop a like in the comment. It really do support the creation of more free analysis and educational updates for all of you. I will see you in my next breakdown.